Alright guys, thanks for filling up the grinder. It's actually the last one I'll have for a good 2 weeks. We go live. It is 6:22. 6:22. Here's our list. Tim, Thomas, Dressel, Juan, Dressel, Shane, Shane. Same list right here. Tim, Thomas, Dressel, Juan, Dressel, Shane, Shane. Thanks everybody for getting in. 2 dice, no snakes. Anybody that got in this, you can get in on my pipe Raz. I've got it up for 6 per, but if you were in this, get in at 5 per. 4 winners, real good deal. We're going 6 times, 3 and a 3. 6 times. Let's see, rolled at 22. 22. Won 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We got Thomas on top. 23 on the clock. 5 times. 23 on the clock. 5 times. Going 6 times. Final. Good luck. Shane swept the top 2. Got Shane on top 6 times. 23, 20. 23. 6 times. We are done. 623. 623. Shane on top 6 times. 6 times. Thanks everyone.